Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Also, Drip Network at 365% back, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance. They're up right this second. Is it a good time to look at this coin? Also, they're farming their liquidity pools. You can get dual rewards. We're going to talk about that. Apecoin. Apecoin is brand new. It's out right now. It's jumping off the charts already on Crystal Farms. There's already an Ape slash VVS coin that you can actually stake. So that's pretty good information. And then we're also going to talk about TaskRabbit. How you can make up to 10,000 or more, 10,000 a month with TaskRabbit, people that are doing it. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos, or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Well, with gas prices being so high, food prices going crazy, the TaskRabbits, the cryptocurrency projects, the drips, the splash networks, all these little extra things, you may have to add a few of them so you can help hedge against, I don't want to say inflation, but hedge against everything going up so much. All right, let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, VVS Finance is ranked 236. It's up right now almost 8%, 7.78%, really, really good. Up about 0.5% for today, clicking it. So look at, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 23.12. We'll do a price prediction when we come back here. It's up about 0.5% right this second, so it's good. It's got some growth happening right now. So it's going up, up, up. In the last 7 days, it's also, from the last 7 days, it's up around 7-8%. So VVS Finance is doing good right this second. Over here at their Twitter account, VVS Finance stands for Very, Very Simple Finance, your gateway to decentralized finance movement. All right, right here, Apecoin, it's been jumping for the last week. First thing, the CRO/Ape Crystal Farm is now live. Stake your CRO/Ape LP on Crystal Farms and earn VVS rewards. CRO/Ape, take a look at that. So, hey, this Apecoin is already big. I'm impressed because it's already in the top 100, but it's already on Crystal Farms, so there you go. Next thing, before we launch, we wanted to take some time to answer some questions regarding the XVVS and things to note of. Check out our latest article. So everybody who wants to know about the XVVS, remember you do have to be staking VVS in order to even get the XVVS. If you're not a staker, you're not going to get it. This is an extra reward that you can get from being a staker. More great news from VVS Finance. We are excited to announce our platform mechanism upgrade with our yield-bearing governance token, the XVVS. Our buyback mechanism and locking vaults are on the final stretch. We are now completing the task, and our track to launch is this Friday. This XVVS is going to be big, everybody. And I already said right here, this Crow Ape. Look at the ape there. We're liking that. And here you go. People are into this ape coin. This is the coin that everybody is into right this second. For about a week, it's up over 900 and some percent. It's crazy up. Why are we bringing this up? Because right there, it's already on Crystal Farms. So just wanted to share that with you, everybody. Good news, big announcement. All right, VVS Finance, what does this stand for? Very, very simple. DeFi, trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement takes control of your finance and earns sparkly VVS rewards. All right, so we're kind of going up here a little bit. We aim to make DeFi simple, within reach of billions. They have low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. So they got their shiny yield farm opportunity, and here's our key: streams of passive income to multiply your assets, the rarest and brightest yield farm in VVS Farm. They have clear incentives for all, tokens of economics, and incentives built for long-term value creation. Our mines will always be bountiful. And they got the hardened security and governance, designed with security in mind. So VVS, there's a couple ways you can do it. You could be a DeFi trader over here. You swap it instantly. Your instant swap tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes on new pairs and new token listings. The new pairs, CRO and Apecoin. Right now, you can do that. Liquidity providers, low minimums. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity provider LP tokens. Collect the transaction fees and farmy shiny rewards. And a 1 over here to the right, be a VVS miner, your passive income, crystallize your VVS tokens, staking fixed amount to be earned to receive earned more VVS tokens. Stake and forget about it. It's that simple. All right, everybody, VVS Finance, Apecoin already on the crystal farms with VVS Finance. Super fantastic. All kinds of good things going on. What about TaskRabbit? So on this channel, we kind of like to talk about cryptocurrency, making money. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own research. But also the side hustle. If it's a side hustle as a node project or a drip network project or a splash or a piston token, any of those kind of things, or could it be an actual like doing a DoorDash, doing an Uber, doing a TaskRabbit? TaskRabbit, people are making lots of money with TaskRabbit. Some people don't know what TaskRabbit is. Let's go ahead and head on over. Here you go. I make $10,000 a month on TaskRabbit in New York. My secret to success is investing in my business. Here's how. So this gentleman's on TaskRabbit and he's making $10,000 a month. Just wanted to show you this article right here. Need cash? Here's how to make $10,000 a month. And what does this say? Want to make in the bank in 2022? Maybe you should quit your job and mount TVs for a living. But really, William Young, a 23-year-old who made $160,000 last year as a handyman on what? On TaskRabbit, doing just that. Young made it happen, plus more gigs than he ever thought possible. Become a tasker. We are all curious about Young's success, so let's dive right into it after graduating and talks about that. So Young, at 23 years old, he joined a community of TaskRabbit right here. The market for cleaning, moving, other home-based service providers, and he found himself real quickly earning $130 a day. So he decided to go full-time. To the date, he's made upwards of $200,000 now. So here he is, and it looks like he's got his own business here. When I first started tasking, I took on as many jobs as I could across different categories, he said. After I got some experience, I realized I could best understand clients' needs when it came to moving and furniture, so I decided to specialize in these categories. So here he is. So he must have some patterns on furniture. Now about 85% of his work is mounting TVs, mirrors, and pictures. He takes home around $13,000 per month from TaskRabbit. Hey everybody, let's do some TaskRabbit. My advice to taskers is to always work on improving your skill set. More importantly, your customer skill set. This is truly half your job. The more communication you are, and the better you are for your business. So here you go, TaskRabbit. He's making $13,000 a month, over $10,000 a month, and he's mounting things. So it says about 85% of my work is mounting TVs and mirrors and pictures. He takes home around $13,000 a month. All right, everybody, TaskRabbit could be the place that you're looking for. Mounting things, TVs, moving. Go to the website, check it out. Again, with gas prices being so freaking high right now, food prices jumping off the thing, you may need to have a little side hustle. We love cryptocurrency projects, but who's kidding who? If you can go mount some mirrors and move some things around and make $10,000, make sure you scream it at the top of your lungs. You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner. Smash that like button. All right, everybody, let's head back over to VVS Finance. All right, don't forget about the Apecoin. Apecoin is on the VVS Finance. It's already on there. Fantastic. I'm going to show you this. Again, this is on Tectonics. Dual rewards on VVS and Tonic Farm on VVS Finance. Dual rewards on VVS Finance. Stake your VVS and your Tonic LP tokens to earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. What's better than being rewarded with one token on Crystal Farms? How about being rewarded with two? All right, back at the website here. VVS tokens is at the core of the VVS Finance. It's got value, it's got utility, and it's got governance. Value is stake for your reward. The bread and butter of our miners, stake VVS to earn VVS, and that X VVS you'll be earning. Utilities is coming soon, and governance, hold and vote. X VVS equals Y votes. Your voice is in the future of VVS. And big news here, Apecoin is partnered up with CRO here on this the trade farm ape and board governance token on VVS. The liquidity has been added, CRO/ape. All right, so what's our price prediction over here? VVS Finance, it's up about 7-8%, which is fantastic. 4 zeros and a 23.13. I think it's going to go to 4 zeros and a 26.16. All our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. I'm not a financial planner. We're all just friends here. All right, but VVS is hot right now. Apecoin is hot right now. Super good stuff going on. TaskRabbit making $10,000 a month, mounting mirrors and painting and all this stuff. All kinds of good stuff. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here if you want to get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day with Drip Network. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day.